Hello, everybody. My name is Linda Smith, and I am a computer science major. I'm going to do my best job of explaining trigonometry concepts for my pre-calculus final. First, double angle formula for sine. Hopefully you can see my self-made picture clearly. It says sine A plus B equals sine A cosine B plus cosine A and sine B. I don't speak Greek, I speak English. You see here, I drew this triangle quadrant to. The hypotenuse is 5, and the tangent here is -3/4 or 3/4. So I derive sine of 2 theta equals 2 sine theta cosine theta. Sine theta here is 3/5. Cosine theta is -4/5. You substitute the values into the equation and you simplify. Thus sine of 2 theta equals 2 times 3/5 times -4/5, which simplifies to -24/25. Hope that helps. Soon I'll explain a half-angle formula for cosine. Linda, over and out. I highly recommend this TI-84 Plus calculator. It's perfect for pre-calculus and calculus students. It can do graphs. It has a big bunch of keys. You can download a user manual for it online. Very helpful. This is complicated and very geeky looking, but I love it. You can borrow them from campus library, which is awesome. Now I'm going to do my best to explain the half-angle formula for cosine. Hopefully you can see my hand-drawn picture of that below. It says cosine of alpha divided by 2 is equal to plus or minus the square root of this big old fraction, 1 plus cosine alpha divided by 2, which simplifies to 1 minus cosine alpha divided by sine of alpha. I assume that funny-looking A is alpha. I don't speak Greek, I speak English, and a little bit of Spanish. I worked out a sample problem below. Sine of 30 degrees divided by 2. So I'm supposed to find the sine of 15 degrees using the half-angle formula. So I put sine of 30 degrees divided by 2. I plugged in the values into the formula. Equals the square root of 1 minus cosine 30 degrees divided by 2, which breaks down to the square root of 1 minus the square root of 3 divided by 2. All that divided by 2. Oh boy, that's a hairy-looking fraction, which breaks down to 2 minus the square root of 3 divided by 2. All that divided by 2, which breaks down further to the square root of 2 minus the square root of 3 divided by 4. Sorry, little bit of interruption here. I've been working on this for an hour already. Oh my lord. Well, perfection is as perfection does, right? As for the rest of this, I don't pretend to understand it thoroughly, so I'm just sharing with you my best notes of things like Pythagorean identities and reciprocal identities and quotient identities. Pre-calculus has been a struggle for me, so I'm doing my best job. They say if you learn stuff well, that you're better able to explain it clearly. So this is not a perfect presentation, but I am doing my best job at this, and I hope you at least appreciate the production value of this video. And it really helps to get a good math tutor. I'm grateful to Donna Boyd and to Galen, the ASC. Without them, I don't know what the heck I would do. I'm also grateful to Claude, the AI robot. Maybe this is a good time for me to wind up and Say, to quote from The Artist's Way and Julia Cameron, I take care of output and creator takes care of the result. Hope you found this enjoyable presentation. Over and out.